Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, your girl Yvonne, and today I am not doing a makeup tutorial. Yesterday I actually tried a new product on my eye. It's called the Nano Liner, the Ultra Fine Precision Liquid Liner by Absolute New York. And I put this on trying to practice how to do a wing liner because I have almond shaped eyes, which are eyes that are somewhat like half semi hooded, and it's like really hard to try to perfect a wing liner on myself, but I am a makeup artist. I can't do it on other people. I don't know what it is about looking at myself in the mirror and just being like, I don't know. So I was practicing last night and I did a makeup look Subculture palette by Anastasia, which I'm going to do a review on soon. But I said, okay, let me just try and practice, and for some reason my eyes started getting irritated and real itchy, so I only kept it on for like an hour or so, and it gave me like a really nice, you know, straight line. But my eyes are like super red right now. As you can see, they're like bloodshot red, and my eyes are very sensitive to products now that I'm a little bit older. So I'm like ugh, like it's frustrating for me that my eyes are so freaking sensitive to things now. Like I didn't have this problem a couple of years ago, so I'm going to let my eyes rest for like a day or two, whatever. I'm getting a new pair of glasses, so I'm hoping that my glasses are ready by today or tomorrow, so that, you know, I can show you guys. And I also made my eyebrows a little bit thinner, so let me know, you know, if you think they look nice, they look bomb, they look better than how I had them before. Do you like them thicker? But today I am getting a haircut. I decided that I wanted to do a different look. It is summer. Today is actually August 3rd. It's like early. It's like really early in the morning, and well, at least it's early for me. I was gonna put makeup on, like foundation, but I was like, what's the point? I'm probably gonna get my hair washed. It's gonna wipe all of that off, and there's no point. And on top of that, I washed my makeup brushes last night, so they're still a little wet. They're drying still. So I just want to show you guys what my hair looks like before I get my hair cut. My hair is very, very thick, so usually, like, I like to cut my hair in layers because my hair is just too thick, and I can't take how thick it is right now. Like, I'm at a stage in my life where I'm just like, I always want my hair really short. I've had my hair like so long before, like super long. If you guys go on my Instagram, which is Letmebeyourmirror.glam, you guys will see that I've had blonde hair, I've had red hair, I've had short hair, I've had my hair super long. Like, I've done all kinds of things with my hair, but today I decided that I want to do a long pixie cut. So I'm excited. I've never been to this salon before, but it's like a nice, you know, like high-end salon here. I live in the Bronx, so it's not like a lot of good salons out here. Like, I'm gonna show you what the lady did to my hair, but first I'm gonna show you what my hair looks like. So my hair is this long. It's a little bit past my shoulders, and my hair's in layers right now. And what I'm gonna show you what I was talking about with my hair in the front. So I'm gonna cut this in the middle, and I'm gonna show you guys. I actually evened it out a little bit better because I'm telling you, my hair was like literally like this. So if you watch my previous videos, you would know what I was talking about with my hair. But I don't like how she did my hair. Look how short this is, and look how long this is on this side. So like, she really messed up my hair really bad, and I'm just excited to go now. This is why, like, I never do my hair anymore. Like, I would like usually like blow it out or something. I would actually, it's better when I curl it, but I've been so lazy to even curl my hair. I've been so busy, you know, dealing with the kids and stuff, and practicing makeup and practice. So I'm like really excited to get my hair cut, and I will be back to show you guys what it looks like, so stay tuned. 2, 3. What do you guys think? I'm going to give you my personal opinion about my haircut. I'm really not feeling it. Well, at least just this side, I feel like it's cut too short. The salon that I went to was the first time I went. I was recommended by my sister to go because she got a short pixie cut and she really liked it, and it actually looked really good on her. She didn't tell me who cut her hair. I forgot to ask her. But yeah, so I'm going to insert the picture somewhere around here, and I'm gonna show you what I wanted. I wanted an edgy cut, and this is the first time I've ever cut my hair this short. I've never cut it like beyond this, so I really didn't know what to expect or how to instruct the hairstylist. I will say, like, I really like this side. I feel like I should have gotten a bob instead of a long pixie cut. There's like different styles and stuff. Like I said, I'm not used to getting my hair cut, so I didn't know how to explain it. I don't feel like it was the stylist's fault either, just because I wasn't descriptive, and I didn't go into details exactly what I wanted, because this is the first time I got a haircut this short, so I really didn't know how to tell her, like how to translate it or interpret it from what I really wanted. So now that I got the haircut, now I can say like, okay, this is what I want. So I feel that this side is too short. I do like how this is in the front, but I just feel like this should have been longer. I'm going to show you, I'm going to insert the pictures, all the pictures. I'm going to insert the original picture that I wanted, show you another picture that we found online, and then I'm going to show you another picture of the way the back of the haircut looks, which I found later on, of the haircut that I wanted. So this, I feel like it's just too short, but I feel like even though, you know, she was really nice, she was very professional, I liked her personality, and you know, we were like talking about makeup and stuff like that, so I thought it was like really cool. She was like really nice, really sweet, really easy to talk to. So when she showed me, because she asked me, she said, you know, how do you want the back to look? Do you want it to look straight? Do you want it to look tapered? So she showed me a picture on the internet of what a tapered, how it would look tapered. So when I looked at it, I saw this part short, which I think is actually a little bit longer than how she had it in the picture, which I'm fine with. But here in this part, in the picture, it was a lot longer, so I don't feel like she did it how the picture was either. Would I go back to her? No, I don't think I would. Is she a good hairstylist? She could be, but like I said, maybe I didn't, you know, direct her or give her special instructions on how to do my hair, so I cannot fault her. So like I remember just being on the bus coming back home, and I was just like, oh my god, like I do not like my hair. But when I got home and I started playing with it, I actually like how it looks when I turn it. And so maybe the haircut's not that bad after all. Maybe I could just turn it on the other side. I like how it looks here in the front. So maybe I can just like, I don't know, play with it, whatever, and just finesse it and just, you know, rock with it maybe this way, or just, I don't know. The only thing I will say is that I just don't like that my hair is so flat here on this side. So this is just gonna have to take some time to get used to. Like I said, I don't know, like I just don't like this part right here. I feel like this side should have been a lot longer. So, but I do have like a bald spot here, so I like that it doesn't emphasize that. So yeah, I remember she asked me if I wanted to do this here like a triangle, like sharp, so that I agreed with. Yeah, I was cool with it, but I was kind of expecting for it to look a little bit more like the picture that I showed her, and I don't feel like, looking at it in the front, I don't feel like it looks like it at all. So if you look at it in the front, you will see that some of it is like, this is all one layer, like going straight down. Like she did it like that, which I thought was cool. I like that. But some of this here in the front was like a little bit layered, which she didn't, you know, pay much detail to that. And of course, like I said, this side. So what I would have liked to do is probably just take this hair and probably, you know, be able to take this hair and probably be able to bump it up so that it could look like something like that. So because my hair is like, it's so thick that it's heavy, so it just automatically goes flat. It's like when you have thinner hair, you're able to like maneuver it around or play with it, and you know, it's not heavy, so you're able to do those things. But my hair is so thick, I can't do it. So I would have liked for my hair to be a little bit longer so that it can basically curve and probably be by like the tip of my ear, maybe kind of like a bob. So I guess maybe I'll let it grow out, and then I will probably do a bob after this. It should take probably like a couple of months. I mean, it's only hair, it'll grow back. It's not a big deal. I felt like crying on the bus. I was just like, ah, but you know, I guess like this is just what it is. So I'm just gonna have to just get used to it. Do I think the hairstylist did a horrible job? No, I think she did a good job. I just think that it was my fault. I did not, you know, give her any details or specify what I wanted, how I wanted to look. I was just like, here's the picture, you know, this is what I want. And she did talk to me. She did a consultation with me, and she did ask me like questions and stuff. And I'm not gonna say like this is a complete like a bad haircut, because it's really not. I mean, maybe I just have to get used to everybody's like, oh, you look cute. I don't know, like maybe I just have to, like I said, finesse it. And you know, like, I'm sorry, I'm just like really messing with my hair right now, but I wanted a new look. I wanted to look a lot more edgier. So I mean, yeah, what am I gonna do? Like, what am I gonna really do? Like, I'm not gonna be mad at her. I feel like it's my fault. I'm not gonna say she did a bad job, because she didn't. She did what I asked her to do, and she asked me questions along. But do I feel like she went by the picture that she did show me, which I'm gonna include here? Not really. I think she just went a little bit shorter. So, you know, but I do really like this side. This side is like popping. It's popping. So I'm gonna get used to it, and you know, as time goes on, I'm still gonna do my tutorials. I will let you know, guys, know like how I feel about it, if I come up with like something new, or maybe you guys could give me some pointers and tips on how to deal with this besides blowing it out. I just feel like, because my texture hair, it's not straight and it's not curly, so it's like really wavy, so I feel like it's just weird. And now that I'm looking at it, I just feel like, yeah, like you see how this comes out and then this is like kind of flat. Like, I don't know. I feel like this should have just been longer. If this would have been long up to here, I would have been fine. I would have been like, oh, perfect haircut, This is what I asked for, exactly what I wanted in the picture, and then I can just style it however I want to. So in the future, I will probably do another video to show you guys how I style my hair to get it to look how decent, or to get it to look how I want. So yeah, I'm going to end this video because I'm going to go figure out my hair. So thank you for watching, and I will see you on the next one. Bye.